One more. Okay, good enough. Well, maybe you can do it right here too. So, if you have chalk line and there is just shaking it, there is not enough powder, look, it's empty inside. So take the powder and put it in. That's it. So just need to shake it. If you work alone and nobody can help you, you can use your tool bucket or glue bucket, any heavy stuff. So just put exactly chalk line on this mark. Put bucket on top. Then we have to follow this whole line. And then just snap it.